Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for 500 subscribers, guys. It's Divas, Sienna. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous deep brown matte smoky eye. So if you want to learn how to do this, then continue watching. Hey guys, yes, we finally reached 500. Thank you so much to all of you lovely subscribers out there. And if you are new to my channel, then obviously if you want to join the Diva army, then hit that subscribe button down below. Oh yeah. In today's video, guys, I am going to teach you how to do a really simple, easy, brown, lovely, smoky eye. It's literally so simple. It's three colors, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. No flapping about in this video. So the palette we're going to be using today, it's not really a palette, it's a palette that I made myself. It's from Inglot. It's a mixture of the J315 collection and some of their own kind of stuff that they've got going on. So these three colors, but we are going to be mixing this one and this one, and then this deeper dark brown up here. And one thing that I'm so confused about is why people don't really use Inglot much on YouTube. I mean, Inglot have some amazing eyeshadows, and if you are a makeup artist, then they do give you a really good discount as well. So head on over to them, and their prices are really, really good. I can't tell you off the top of my head what the prices are, but yeah, just believe they are good. So guys, let's get right into it, and I'm gonna zoom you lot in. Come closer. So as you can tell, I've already done my base, and the reason I've done my base is because with these eyeshadows, there's not much fallout at all, so I don't really mind not having anything there. So we're just gonna get straight into it, because I know in my last videos I'm just waffling, just waff, and sometimes we just want to get straight down to the eyeshadows. Get out your brushes and your colors. I don't know why my accent always changes in these videos. So I'm going in with a Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush. If you've been on my channel, you know this is one of my favorite brushes to use. And I am going to dip into this kind of brownish one here. I don't know the numbers of these at the moment, so in the description down below I will pop all the numbers in there for you. So we're just going to take a bit of that colour, and I'm going to take that into my crease area. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm just going to take that all the way in. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I've already set my eyes using just a normal concealer. I haven't done a eyeshadow base because these colours, they don't really need to have that. The pigment is amazing anyway, and this is the easiest way to get a nice smooth kind of eye going on. So we've already got our first colour on the eyes, and again, it's so cute. It's so, I don't know what's cute about it, but it's so nice and it comes on so smoothly. I absolutely love the shades from Inglot. I actually have about 2-3 of their palettes that I've made myself, and they're just amazing. So what we are going to do now is go into a darker shade, and that again is from the J315 part of their collection, and it's this shade here. And I'm taking this colour on a Zoeva 224, and I'm going to put that into the crease, and I'm deepening this crease up, and I'm taking that all the way around. I'm also going to put a bit of that on the outer corner. Guys, this is like the most easiest smoky eye I will most probably ever teach you how to do. It's so simple, it's three colours, and it's really effective. It's like one of those, you know, when you're really busy and you want to go out and you need to quickly do a really nice eye look. This is that eye look. Good, just making sure everything is nicely blended. Perfect, and now we have two colours. So the third and final colour that I'm going in with is this really deep kind of brown here. And that one we are going to put all over the lid and then blend that. To pop this on the lid, I am using the MAC 233. And we are just going to pop that all over the lid. Excuse my phone, that was rude. I'm going to pop that all over the lid, hacking it on, making sure we've got it everywhere. And I'm going to take that just into my crease right here. And now that we've got that on, what I'm going to do is go in with my first brush, and I am literally just going to blend all three of those colours. Making sure when you shut your eye that everything is looking nice and smooth. Inglot eyeshadows are so smooth and they're so pigmented. They just go on so nicely. Like, you don't even have to try. That's why, like, I'm so confused that not that many people talk about them on YouTube, but your girl's got you. Okay, perfect. Now we've got both of our eyes basically near enough done. We're just gonna go in with the lower lash line. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm taking a short shader brush. It's the E20 by Sigma. And I'm gonna go in with that darker shade. And I'm gonna pop that on my lower lash line. Oops, sorry. And what I'm gonna actually do, when I get to like this section at the edge, I'm just gonna take that a bit. I'm just gonna flick it up. That gives the illusion of like we spent lots of time and effort on it. Now I'm gonna take that little brush that we had, which was the 224, and I'm just gonna go in with a mix of those two lighter shades, and I'm just gonna blend this all out. This is actually a really good method. If you get your like creasing underneath your eyes like I do, then this way you can't really see the creases because you're covered it with eyeshadow. So now we've basically got our eyes done. I'm just gonna take, you know what, I'm gonna take my favorite highlighting little combo over here, the Nikki Tutorials and Everglow, and I'm gonna use a mixture of these two here, and I'm gonna pop that into my inner corner and on my brow bone. And there you have your eyeshadow done. Now what I like to do, and you don't need to do this option, is I'm gonna take some black liner and I'm gonna take that into my waterline, and then I'm gonna slightly smudge that out. Keeping it really close to the waterline as I can. So guys, I've basically done all my eyeshadow. See how quick that was? So easy, so simple, and it looks amazing. I love it. And it's not so dramatic and out there, but you know what I'm like. I'm gonna make it dramatic now and put on some crazy ass lashes. So once I'm done with that, I'll be back and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. I don't know what combination of clips I've put on today, but the girls coordinated. Forget that one. The girls coordinated. I think the worst thing about lashes is waiting for them to dry. They should invent some like glue that like just dries bang like that. That reminds me, before we do lashes, we need to do mascara, so I'm gonna do that, and you know the drill with me. Fake my bottom lashes. So guys, this is the final look with the eyeshadow. I hope you like it. It is super, oh, my chair is in the wrong position today. It is super simple, super easy, and trust me, if you're a beginner or someone who doesn't even know anything about eyeshadows, you'll be able to do this look. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna shut my eyes so you guys can see. I love it. So anyway, I'm ready and I'm gonna head off now. And so yeah guys, I just want to thank you again for 500. So yeah, so thank you for 500, and if you obviously are not part of the family and the army, the Diva army, then be sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you did like this video or you found it helpful, or just, you know, whatever, just give it a thumbs up. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, before you go, here is the subscribe button. Just in case you missed what I said earlier, hit it. and here is my next video. So if you're bored and you've got nothing to do, then just hit that and binge watch me. So yeah guys, see you guys later, bye.